Hello, you are very welcome to this video if you are looking for an all-natural way to increase testosterone. Today I will introduce you to the natural bodybuilding testosterone supplement, #1 selling in its category. My name is Jams and I am the official TestRX representative. In this video you will have complete and important information about this supplement. Stay with me until the end because I will give you 2 important warnings. So let's go. Many people have the doubt if TestRX works, and the answer is yes. TestRX's key ingredient of success is ZMA, a combination of zinc, magnesium aspartate and vitamin B6. Each of these ingredients is critical for protein synthesis, which leads to muscle growth. And after tests, it was scientifically proven to increase testosterone by 32% or more. Its 100% natural formulation is based on Greek hay seed extract, vitamin D3, vitamin K2, vitamin B6, magnesium, zinc, D-aspartic acid. It must be clear that TestRX helps your body increase testosterone production in a totally natural way, and in its formulation is used the maximum dose of each ingredient necessary to produce efficient results. We are talking about a 100% natural capsule, with no negative or harmful side effects to our body's health. An interesting fact is that after the age of 30 our body tends to lose 10% of its testosterone level every decade. As we age, our testosterone levels naturally decrease, and this can lead to lack of energy, depression, rapid aging, unstable sleep, less sex drive, and a slow metabolism for fat burning, so it will be almost impossible to build muscle. This explains why testosterone boosters have been increasingly sought after by men, and their consumption has become so common in recent years as a way to keep the levels high and continue to look vitally healthy, have a fit body, active sexual performance, serene sleep, and consequently a mind without low esteem or depression. What I have to make clear is that each body reacts in a different way, and for TestRX to work, you need to take the treatment seriously by taking 4 capsules a day, and to enhance your results, exercise. You can already start feeling the results in the first month, but after 2 months the manufacturer guarantees total satisfaction. Now for the TestRX warnings. Alert number 1, TestRX does not contain synthetic hormone from the steroid class. It is a natural supplement made with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that synthesize the body to produce testosterone in a totally natural way. Warning number 2, TestRX is a very serious company and guarantees its results. And if you are not satisfied with the results within 60 days of treatment, you can request a 100% refund. And if you like this video, I ask you to please like and share it so that YouTube continues to deliver to people who need all this information about TestRX. I hope this video will change your life, and I look forward to your testimonial here as well.